Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete voicemail number on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you've added your voicemail or you recently changed the voicemail number on your Samsung Galaxy A54 and now you want to delete it completely, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete voicemail number on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, select present, click on the three dots at the top right, select settings. Now scroll down, locate and click on voicemail. Scroll down the voicemail page and click on the voicemail number, then delete existing voicemail number and then click on OK. Then you should see voicemail number changed. Now go to the voicemail number on the second service provider, go ahead, delete the voicemail and click on OK. And then you're good. You should see you no longer have any voicemail number set. So that's exactly how to delete voicemail number on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.